I know this is going to be shocking to everybody. I'm going to brag about those Callaways. They are amazing. If you're looking to buy or sell your home, they are the people that you absolutely need to call. And of course, we have back with us Kelly Callaway to tell us about another fantastic home.
An incredible home. This home is extraordinary and unique. It's in Thunderbird Desert Estates in our
nice.
Magic 85254, which we all
We
love
always
so
know
much.
that's my favorite.
Yes. But it's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home. One of the bedrooms and 1 bath is a separate 2nd-story guest house.
Oh, you're kidding. How
And
cool.
so it's completely separate from the rest of the house, but attached. But this home, you walk up to it, it's got pavers on the front courtyard with
nice.
a beautiful fountain. They have done so much in this home, something unique in every room. Beautiful cherry cabinets in the kitchen with granite, newer appliances, has a newer roof, exterior, interior paint.
Wow.
The backyard is amazing. It has been completely redone, the pool redone, it has pavers and a fire pit, and I mean, it's a pure entertainment home. If you enjoy the outdoors at all, this is the home for you.
It does sound fantastic, and as always, we know it might go fast. But first of all, what's the price for this one?
This one's listed at $725.
Wow, it is going to go fast. For
It
that.
has everything. Even the dining room has this gorgeous wood flooring that they did in. I mean, it's just unique. It is.
I love it. Well, people definitely need to check it out.
They need to see this house.
Well, thank you so much for joining us
Thank
again.
you.